Monkey.
Welcome to Mandarin Monkey Lesson 41.
第41课。还是
Or
或者
or
否则
or
要不然
or
不然
or Okay, let's jump straight in with the question or.
还是
So, let's get when you have two options, you'll use this or, right?
对，如果你有两个选择，
So you have two choices. Let's say what? Tea and coffee?
茶还是咖啡？
Okay, so do you want tea or coffee?
你要茶还是咖啡？
They're both okay. I could have tea or coffee.
都可以。我可以有茶或者咖啡。
So you just use the second or, right?
对，或者
Okay, so that means that it's a statement.
it's a statement。
So
对
you're making a statement that you could have this or that.
对，我可以喝茶或者咖啡。
Okay, so let's try that again. So the question, so tea, you want tea or coffee?
你要茶还是咖啡？
I could have tea or coffee.
我可以喝茶或者咖啡。
Got it? You better get it. All right, let's move straight on to the next or.
好
Okay, 3 ors actually. What are they?
好，第一个否则，要不然，不然，
Right, so there's 3. Okay, now don't let your brain explode over this one. The last 2, which are
要不然
and
不然，
they're the same thing.
对 we just omit
Yao, right?
对要
Yeah, you just omit the yao. So you can say Yaoburan or Buran, right?
对
Okay, so the difference with this or is it kind of means or otherwise.
对 otherwise
So do something or this will happen. Do
是的。
something or that will happen, right?
是的
Okay, so let's do an example. Okay, so how
好。
about eat or you will be hungry?
OK 赶快吃快点吃要不然你会肚子饿所以要不然我说要不然嘛 or you can say 快点吃
Quickly
不然你会肚子饿
Or you'll be hungry. Okay.
对那否则比
the
较
last example.
比较high level 你可以用在 speech 那或者是像老师可能会说
So maybe your teacher will say, your teacher might use this word or this version of or if you're formally speaking or speaking in a speech
对
or you're writing or something like that,
是
you'll
的
probably use this
好
or, right?
so let's give them example
Okay. How would a teacher say? You need to study or you will fail.
study 你最好赶快读书你最好读书 you better study 否则我会当掉你
So you better study or I'll fail you.
是的否则我会当掉你
Got it?
否则我会当掉你
You better got it. So we have 5 ors. Number 1.
in question or 还是茶还是咖啡
2, when you're making a statement.
对或者我可以喝茶或者咖啡
Then we have 3. We have 3 of the same ors. 1 is used in writing and in formal conversation.
否则
And then 2 are used in
normal
oral conversation, right?
要不然不然
You got it?
好
Practice time?
practice time
It's practice time, guys.
go
It's practice time. Repeat the sentences. Or.
还是
Would you like tea or coffee?
你要喝茶还是咖啡你要喝茶还是咖啡
I could drink tea or coffee.
我可以喝茶或者咖啡我可以喝茶或者咖啡
Shall we go to America or England?
我们要去美国还是英国我们要去美国还是英国
We can go to America or England.
我们可以去美国或者英国 我们可以去美国或者英国。
Or
否则，要不然，不然。
eat quickly, or you will be hungry.
快吃，否则你会肚子饿。快吃，要不然你会肚子饿。快吃，不然你会肚子饿。
Run quickly, or you'll miss the train.
快跑，否则火车要离开了。快跑，要不然火车要离开了。快跑，不然火车要离开了。